It's time to recognize the power that resides within you. What do I mean by this? Within you resides a light that is called divinity. It is the part of God that cannot be simulated, copied, or created by anyone. It is a unique signature that makes what you are. When you recognize that part of you within yourself, you're able to access not only information, but your access to guide your own self throughout your life, in whatever situation that you're in. At this moment in time, we are finding ourselves in times of war, chaos, not only within ourselves, but within our families, a time of division. It is the perfect setting for you to discover who you really are, not just as that name that you believe that you are, but as a being that is also divine, a being that has divinity within themselves. Not because that makes you greater than everyone else that exists, not because that makes you the creator, but because it makes you part of that creator. And as you honor that part of yourself and you engage with that part of yourself, you will discover more and more about what this world really is about and what you're doing here. Today, I would like to invite you all to tap into that divinity within yourself by putting your hands on top of the center of your chest and join me in prayer. When we pray, it isn't about the words that we are saying. It is about the intent behind the words. It is about connecting to the spiritual heart and looking upwards, meaning our intent goes upwards through our thoughts, our intention of the thought, our intention of the will. As we look upwards and base that prayer in our hearts, our prayers are heard. This prayer is to assist you all in bringing peace to yourselves and your lives, but also to humanity. Divine Father, grant me the ability to find peace within myself. Grant me the ability to see love and beauty in everyone I encounter. Grant me the ability to demonstrate love to all of those who do not feel or see themselves deserving of love. Grant me the ability to speak up when things are not just. Grant me the ability to find myself within the chaos of the world and the chaos of my own mind. Accompany me on my journey here on earth, not only as an individual, but as a soul who is learning, growing, and understanding the meaning and the significance, as well as the power of what life is. May the peace and love of your divinity be recognized within every single soul that is present on this earth at all moments in time, so that they may recognize divinity within themselves, peace within themselves, love within themselves, light within themselves. May their paths be illuminated by their higher minds and higher hearts and higher will. May peace and love descend on the earth through the minds and the actions of the souls who exist here, so that the earth itself may be soaked with that energy and may prosper, not just for itself, but for all living beings, seen or unseen by us, that reside on this earth today and always.